here, they're kind of that, I don't know, what do we call that, coral? Right? This is your Golgi apparatus. Everybody see that? The Golgi apparatus's job is to store, package and store proteins, lipids, things the cell needs, but mostly proteins and lipids. You will see that off the sides of the Golgi apparatus, it is pinching off these smaller sections. Does anybody know what these are? They are vesicles. Did I put vesicles on your sheet?
Yes.
What does it say?
Carry materials in and out of the cell.
Carry materials in and out of the cell that are too big to diffuse. Okay? You see these purple and gray structures here and here? Those are vacuoles. And what does a vacuole do?
Store water, food.
It stores water and waste. WW. You see these orange with yellow on the perimeter? And here's just a plain yellow one down here. Everybody see those? These are cut in half up here. This is a whole one. These are lysosomes. Lysosomes are like little Pac-Men of the cells. They go around the cells eating debris, eating stuff that shouldn't be in the cell. We think when you get older, the aging process has to do with these guys not doing a good job anymore. But their primary function is to clean the cell. If a mitochondria goes bad, they'll eat it. Because we don't want it in the cell if it's not working right. These orange structures here, you see all these? These are cut in half, these are whole. These are your what? Mitochondria. Mitochondrion is a singular, and there are very few cells have a singular. These are mitochondria is the plural. Muscle cells have hundreds and thousands of these mitochondria because they gotta produce a lot of ATP energy. Mitochondria, probably in high school you learned that they were the powerhouse of the cell. Does that ring a bell?
Yeah.
These do cellular respiration. You gotta know what that is. And that's the process by which we remake ATP. So you recharge low energy bonds. So these are your energy producers in the cell. Then you have this structure here. You see how it has no white dots on it? Yes, no? That is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. I love that word. What does the smooth endoplasmic reticulum do? Because both of them are canal systems. Both endoplasmic reticulums move materials through the cell. But what does smooth do that you need?
Makes and transports lipids.
It makes lipids and then transports them. Lipids are terribly important for the cell because a lot of structures within the cell, like the membranes, are made out of lipids. Fat isn't bad. We need fat for a lot of structures inside our bodies. So, all of this blue that has the white dots on them, which is the majority of these, right, is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And that rough endoplasmic reticulum does what?
Transports protein.
Transports protein and any materials in the cell. Again, cells need a lot of protein because that's a major component of the membranes and the cytoplasm in all organelles. So the little white dots are ribosomes that make protein. All the jelly-like material in the cell is cytoplasm. It houses and nourishes the organelles. I think that's how I wrote on the worksheet. You've all eaten cytoplasm, you've all seen it, you've all touched it. Where?
Eggs.
What?
Eggs.
When you crack open an egg white is all cytoplasm. When you peel a hard-boiled egg, you get the shell off, what my mom used to call the skin. That's the cell or plasma membrane. Cooked, so it has more, you can see it. This cell or plasma membrane keeps the contents inside. It also is semi-permeable, so it's very picky about what goes in and out of your cell. It's made out of proteins and lipids. It's a double bilayer. So what part of the cell is the yolk?
The nucleus.
It's a food vacuole.
No.
You can't see, when you crack open an egg, you can't see the nucleus, you eat it. It's in the egg white, so is the mitochondria, so is the endoplasmic reticulum, you just can't see them. The yolk is just a huge food vacuole, and why would that be needed in the egg?
Cause there's no placenta.
For the little baby bird to eat till it hatches. Needs some nutrients. How
Interesting.
come humans don't have that?
We have the placenta.
As a placenta with the umbilical cord. All right, did I get them all? Or did I forget anything? What's on your list? Jeff?
For the cytoplasm, those houses and nourishes what?
Organelles, all these guys. Anything else on the cell?
Did you say the cytoskeleton?
No, the cytoskeleton is not on here. I can't pin it. You have to know what it does,
Yeah.
but, and we'll talk about that, that's more of a lecture test question. I can't
What were
pin
the-
them on here, they're not on here.
What were the, certain things by, or on the outside of the Golgi apparatus?
These here?
Yeah.
These are the vesicles.
Okay.
I know.
Anything else?
Is there
He's got one.
skeleton on there?
What?
Jeff's got one.
One more, so for the centrosomes, what did you wanna just put houses, centrosomes?
Houses center, is fine.
She said the cytoskeleton isn't on there. She can't pin it, but we need to know what it does.
You listen. But you still have to know what it is.
Yeah.
Okay, are we good?